Hello everyone, I'm back with another project. So if you saw my last video, which is the previous video, you should have already watched the Prima doll tags, and if not, I'll link that in the description box. Anyway, so I had mentioned that I was going to put these tags in a like baggie. So again, this is from the same group. It is the Happy Mail project, and the event was Shabby Chic Love Pocket. I don't know exactly what she meant by love pocket, but this is what I came up with, so I hope this is right. Anyways, I've been wanting to make these little pouches or bags, whatever you want to call them, for a very long time. They were a rage like 3 years ago. Yolanda, who is So Crafty 100 here on YouTube, and I will link that particular video that I follow, the tutorial. She made these little bags using the Recollections envelope, and they were so easy to make, you guys. All you need is just one score line and then some folding, and that was it. And then you just paper the envelope. So let me show you what that looks like. Whoops, I'm in like a different angle, that's why. So here, and I kept them very simple, so I just filled them. Oh, and the swap, we just had to make, you know, like I said, the love, it was a Shabby Chic Love Pocket, and then we just had to fill it up with goodies. So this is what I decided to do. So I just layered a bunch of trim and lace. I used one of these Recollection bows, and then I filled it up with goodies. So there's the tag. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go ahead and watch it. I used one of these. Oh my gosh, this is like not a good angle for me. I'm not used to it. I think these are from, where are they from? From Walmart. And they came in this color and then in this like turquoise color. Super cute. I love them. And so I just filled them up with like resin pieces. And see, whoops, there you go. That's what I filled it up with. And then inside, I don't know if I should take this apart or not. You know what? Let me change the camera because, like I said, this is not working out for me. Okay, this is better. So then I bought all of these pens from Party City. They were just like $1. They're so cute though. And there's a red one, and then there's a pink one that I'm keeping for myself. The sun is starting to come through. And then I made this pinwheel, and if you know how to make pinwheels, I just cut the paper at 3x3, and then I just added a flower in the center. And then there's my brad. This is just a stir stick from Target. These also are just some like bubbles, also from Target. There is my tag. So this particular one is going out to my swap partner, the one with the, you know, for the tag swap. And then I added some washi tape sheets, some bling. This is just from the Dollar Tree. And then the top, I just, you know, put pretty paper to match this whole theme. And then there's one more thing inside. And then just some of this decorative tape. That's from the 99-cent store. And this is what the actual pouch looks like. So there's the pouch, and I think it came out super cute. So I did finish also the inside of it, and then this right here is just a Martha Stewart punch. There's more trim, and then the back I just left it plain. And then just to add a little bit of sturdiness, I just added some 110-pound cardstock from Michaels, and then that's the inside. So all of them are fairly the same. So here's the next one. There's another pinwheel. This one is love. What was this one? Oh, it was also the red one because I also have the pink one. Everything else is the same, like I said. This one is the turquoise instead of the pink one like the other one. And then the tags all have ribbon on the top. And then that's what the back looks like. And then here is, this is the one that's going out to this particular swap partner because it had to be shabby chic, so I try to make it as shabby as I can. So on this one, because I didn't glue the papers properly, like with this one where you can't see the envelope, and this one I totally messed up. It was the first one. So I just covered it up with this rosette trim, and I think it looks super cute. I think it makes it look more shabby. And then here's just all this trim and lace that I used on all of these are just, again, from Downtown LA, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and yeah. So, and here is the other love one. And then again, I just added a flower in the center of that pinwheel. There's the other pen. This one is in red. This one's so cute. I love it. And in this one, the only difference is that I added one of those boxes, those heart-shaped boxes of chocolate. That's pretty much it. And instead of this right here. And then that's the back. And I think that's it, right? I think I showed you everything. So yeah, that's it. So I will have any links that I mentioned, I will have them in the description box. And if I forget, please let me know because I do forget. Like Yolanda's video, the Happy Mail project, in case you guys want to join a swap. She has so many swaps going on right now. You can join. I'm telling you, there is something for everyone in that Facebook group. That's what I love about it, is that you have so many choices, and I just had to join both of these, so I did. All right, that's it for today, ladies. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.